as we get closer to the stormy system coming on Friday, Ryan mentioned something interesting at noon today, I thought, that the direction of the wind is a factor in the conversation we're having.
That's really the key. We're more exposed to southerly winds because our trees aren't as hardened to that direction. We get northeast or northwest winds that are gusty all the time.
This is different.
Exactly. And some of our biggest windstorms in recent history have had a southerly wind. So over time, that's something that we've kept in mind forecasting too. This is not going to be as significant as some of the fall windstorms we've had over the last 7 or 8 years. However, there is going to be a period of strong gusty winds that can cause tree limbs and some lines to come down, especially on the mid-coast and down east, Friday late morning into the afternoon. The rain in this system isn't particularly impressive either. It's about a half an inch to an inch, up to 1.5 inches in the mountains. That is substantially less than the December rainstorm we had 2 years ago. So flooding of rivers and streams not really a concern. And fortunately this time, coastal flooding isn't really a big concern either. There could be some minor splash over, but we're not expecting anything that is all that impressive. 35 right now in Bangor, 37 in Portland, the wind coming in out of the southwest. We have a decent day tomorrow with this area of dry weather here, and then this system tracks to our north and we're on the warm side of it on Friday, which means the rain snow line is nowhere near us. It's way up in Quebec as this passes through. Hour by hour forecast. Tomorrow's a nice looking day. Lots of sunshine. Daytime temperatures in central and southern Maine, upper 30s to around 40. A bit colder up north. Tomorrow we have a southerly wind already in place, so the temperatures don't drop a whole lot tomorrow night. In fact, by Friday morning, we're starting the day with temperatures in the 40s. Maybe a little bit of fog as the warm air blows over the cold snowpack that's in place, and we'll have some melting already by Friday morning. Just some showers that then turn into a steadier round of downpours in spots late morning into the afternoon on Friday, crossing through from west to east. There will be a pretty big temperature drop behind the system, but we should have time to dry out most of the surfaces. So we don't think there will be widespread black ice Friday night, but some patches of it are possible. Again, not concerned about flooding from rain. We can manage that. There could be some poor drainage flooding. It's really the wind to pay attention to. Mid-coast, down east, more exposed to the wind like this off the water. Gusts to 55 plus miles per hour possible here. This is where outages are most likely. Southern, central, eastern Maine, 45 to 55 mile per hour gusts. There could be some outages, and the wind is much less of a concern in the mountains and up north. A spotty outage, but it's strongest at the coast. Seas tomorrow 2 to 4 feet. That southerly wind begins to increase on the water. After that moves away, it is colder on Saturday. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds, gusty in the morning but less windy in the afternoon. Little clipper with some snow showers Saturday night into Sunday morning, minor accumulation, and then Sunday afternoon could be up around 40 after that moves away. Cold again Monday, another little clipper Tuesday night, Wednesday morning.
Okay.
So Friday is a big ticket item and it comes with a brief warm up.
Okay.
Right. Thank you.
You're welcome.